Let's talk about one of the biggest fears that people have when it comes to getting business funding. What if I get the money and I can't pay it back? Here's the truth that most people never realize. The same way that you manage a large amount of credit is no different than how you would manage a large amount of cash. So if you can't handle a large amount of credit lines, you probably couldn't handle a large amount of cash, and vice versa. But the only difference between $1 million in credit and $1 million in cash is that the credit has a direct cost, which is called interest. And your cash has an indirect cost, which is interest that you can be paid on the money if you were to have that money invested into an investment that gave you a steady return. But regardless, both are money that you can use to generate a return, whether it be credit lines or cash. And a big lesson that I learned about money is that more money always finds its way to people who manage it well. So the key here isn't to avoid debt. The key is to be strategic. So here's some practical rules for using credit wisely. A simple rule of thumb is only use about 50% of what you have access to. That way you're never over leveraged and you can always access more credit lines. Now, what if you already made this mistake? So let's say that you did overextend yourself, and I totally understand because it happens. Here's the game plan. The first step is to restructure your debt. So that means moving high interest balances over to low interest or 0% interest accounts on the business side. So you never want to move business debt over to yourself personally. You want to keep your business debt on your business credit lines and just move it from one business credit line to the next that has a lower interest rate or a 0% interest. So what this does is it buys you time. So the longer that your debt can sit at 0% interest, the easier it is to pay it down. And the last step is you never want to damage your personal credit. Your personal credit is your ultimate safety net. It's your golden goose. So keep your personal credit protected at all times because that is your funding lifeline. Now, if you max out your personal credit too, don't panic. Step one is to just pay it down, either with active income or with short-term help from a trusted business partner. And once that's cleared up, you can apply for new 0% interest business credit lines and use those to finish off the job and pay back the money that you borrowed temporarily to pay down your utilization on the personal side. And so this is why I always say financial literacy matters so much more than just funding itself. You're not just borrowing money, you're building leverage as long as you use it right, which is using the debt to create more cash flow. And as long as you stay in the game, protect your credit, and stay cash flow focused, you'll always be able to make another move and take advantage of opportunity whenever it presents itself. So if you're serious about learning how to use business credit the right way, tap the link below to get a free custom funding game plan. We'll show you how to unlock up to $250,000 in business funding and how to use it to strategically build real wealth. So with that being said, my name is Khalil Nash, founder of JSN Funding Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.